that mind. Cái này mình họ lao con về na xiêm quái phung lên na khun phung lên na cái mai hai lao tắt mi ta gác xin khang cái mai cái mà ta re. The Rongmai people depend much on cultivation, and both men and women, they work hand in hand, they work hard together so that they can provide for the family. The woman is carrying a basket, and on it we have a pitcher made out of bottle board on which we put rice beer. And then the man is carrying a basket called Siampai, and then he carries the spear to protect the women from enemies and from wild animals as they go to the field. The cup that is handed over to the man is made out of cow's horn. As they work in the field and as they rest, they eat from the food that they have brought home from home. They share it lovingly together. Tu vi quy với nan xuôi là có hai thân xuôi hai, đang diễn là cào lên vi hai. Và bằng quay có kho vi thủ trong thay xuôi. Và không phải kho vì dù tắt lại. The third one is Duizutat Mine. This couple is going out to fetch water. The night hike, Duizutat Thang at có mấy con xe, tu vi quy na ta thao khai. Dui khu sẽ là nào? The night hike Duizutat và các bạn đi tung. The woman is carrying a pitcher made out of bamboo to carry water. The woman would wake up early in the morning, and she would go to the spring source, to the pond, in order to fetch water for the family. Tu mi quy na dui khu kho dui zu hang kana rina lao thuan ta na dui zu la na pai khut be kha dui phung buang hang kamai hai dui zu ta tong the hai kum la na gon purina ton na no be tong gon ton la na kamai ra gan tu me quy dui zu tan be tong khut na ba me tong the. community pond where the young women would come together in groups and they would take baths together. It is a time for them to relax, to rest from the hard labor that they have taken while they cultivate in the field. Costume of the Rongmai people. The Rongmai people are spread out in the hills as well as in the plains, and this attire is mostly worn by the Rongmais that have settled in the hills. Tu mirina alang phai sway ta ko ma sway the kanina am phang thai bone khani big him highฟังเลยนะก็เสียงเล่าไม้คันนี้จีเขาก้อยก้อยไหมก็จันกรังไหมเลยนะก็เสียงเล่าไม่ต้องแทงก้อนบุรีนะที่นายสวยก็แล้วนะพี่เทียมไฮนี่ก็มาปีไว้นี่ไฮจริงเขาก็ไม่ไกลไปเลยนะพี่ไม่ต้องหลังไม่ต้องปวดแท้ngon Marina người hầu gai mấy toàn cái hiu từ tới có mà lâu ấy mostly worn by the Rongmais settled in the plain areas. And then the woman is wearing the hornbill feather as her headgear. Is very important, and they draw inspiration from nature. They look at the bees and the birds and the cycle of cultivation, and they draw inspiration, and they take the time to celebrate. As they celebrate together, they come and sing and dance to glorify the Creator. Purina lian pat mi tong the kom na tu mi purina phai nyao phai sway na bang me hai ani tong thiak khao ma piu pat mi tong the Can you tiên can you see me gone call? Can you come up here around the white sarong that the woman is wearing is usually worn by brides as they get married. And the stole that the young man is wearing is called Pai Ngao Pai. This one has a new twist to it. With the changing times, we have modernized it, and then he's trying to portray that it can also be worn this way. lao da mi tung pai suai kum le nang gan purina piu da ba me hai lang miu pai te the dress that the young couple is wearing is the same as the white one, but this is woven with black threads, and it is called Lakmiu Pai. Balupat itong Taiwan, piu na pa tong he, kung na sa tiyan hata na ba may puihay, rang dai pai sway, piu na pa tong he, kung na bai za tan tat may pui tui na, balupat na ko, piu may tong Taiwan he, balu tu may han, bai na ka, kamung thok hak may tong kan ko, piu pat may tong ngay. The lady on the right is wearing a sarong that is woven with a pattern of the feather of the hornbill. The Romans love hornbill and it has a great significance. And she is wearing the sarong that is designed from the pattern of the feather. And then the lady on the left is wearing a dress that is used for something called Balupat Mai, which is a very important event. So it is a very special dress for a very special occasion. The dress that two young ladies are wearing is called Langzin. Langzin means yellow thread. Mihai Langzin piu na ban mi tong thel Langzin phai sway haim pai na kha kamung gai si khau piu no mi tong thai ba ne Mihai tunanan pang roi na sway me phai sway na hiu lau gai bane tiki me pui ri na thu
piao na khazai lau ban piao lau ban ne hiu ka sa lau ban ne ra pai pang rin na piao na khazai lau mai piu ban ne pai na kha versatile so mai piu gai mai hai swe khachna langzin he magwe na ra piu na ba me by both young ladies, older women, and all women, and we can know that it belongs to a certain age group from the pattern of the design. Now, pada may nai hai, yang lan akanin maray pan hai ba na patong teng, God purina maray pan ba na patong teng kung na dumi purina yang lan. The shawl that the young man is wearing is called maray pan, and then the sarong that the woman is wearing is called Yanglan.เราได้นี่ไม่รู้นะจริงคิวไปคันนี้ลังมิวไปสวยไหมท่านก่อนปุรินาบ้านเราไม่หายไผ่เงาไผ่แท้เพราะนั้นตู้ไม่ปุรินาสวยนะบ้านไม่หายลังมิวให้สวยแท้บ้านเราไม่ไผ่คันนี้สวยจับห่วงสมัยคันนี้เจียนไม่กระเจ้านะไม่ตรงไผ่ไผ่ใกล้ปัจจุบันนี้ก็มาที่ไม่ตรงไผ่คันส hai tu na lao na bang ri na biu mai dong khai suai the na jing khiu phai hai kamung dai dai min kho biu mai dong the kum le na ta mai ri na we school tu na biu na bang me hai ase dao ka gan ka lai ko mi thai lai na mi hai ni na ka ma biu na ba me kamung dai dai min kho ka ma biu mai dong thai ban su the sarong that the young woman is wearing is called a hiana, and this is worn mostly by young girls. And then the shawl that the young man is wearing is called jingqiu pai. This dress is called Guipuang Talam Pai Suai, and this one is worn by young girls. Kazat khao dak belau na piu cui na piu pan na lau na ba me kom la na tao pa da me nai ri na ka ro pao khani ka ro pai tong thai ba ne This dress is mostly worn by all women and all men. เดินนี่ไม่รู้นะมีเทียมไพ่คันนี้รอเขาต้องมาไพ่ก่อนไม่รู้นะเขาเบาคอบ้านเรานะบ้านไม่ต้องไพ่ให้มีเทียนไพ่จนละแก้วเว้ยผมเลยนะดูไม่ปุยเลยนะสวยบ้านไม่ต้องไพ่สวยให้รอก็ลงไม่ไพ่สวยจนนี่แก้วเว้ยมีให้นี่กูพอเรียกบ้านไม่นึกเลยนะรอก็ลงบ้านไม่กันเขาปิ้วไม่ต้องไพ่สวยไพ่สวย The sarong that the young lady is wearing is called Rakalum that my pai sway. This sarong is worn by the women when they go to worship. And then the young man is wearing a shawl which is called in Kian Pai. เราก็ลมตัดไม่ตรงไพ่มีมาทางตะคอปัดเราได้ไม่มีรินะไพ่สวยมีไพ่สวยไฮจนสีแจงสีไม่ก่อยคอไพ่สนุกไม่ปัดไม่ก่อยคอปิวตัดไม่ตรงไพ่สวยแท้ This sarong is worn when there is a funeral. As we share the grief and pain of loss of our loved one, the community, mostly the women folk, they wear this sarong.คนที่พิเวติกี้ที่นายเขาไปเล่านะวิเล่าไม่เรนะคงไม่กันเขาแลมลูกทำไมกันเขาที่นายไปเล่าไม่ให้เขาไม่พิเว The dress that the two young men are wearing is calledที่นาย which is plain, are worn every day, but the one that is decorated with gory shells are usually worn during festivities and while the men dance. thang đã khao lên li phải xoay akani peace phải xoay lên li na phải xoay hay liền lâu ray ní thế mi tuang lên li na phải xoay hay tụi nó lao nó bằng rồi nè biểu ba mấy tuang phải xoay thế mi hay cầm chú cái giặc không nãy this song is called Lenglina Paiswai, and this particular dress is worn only by young girls. Mi mà thằng đó khao peace Paiswai. Chú giác mê phải xoay Gạo hay Lê lâu gắn mê hay Lên đi nó phải xoay được thế Cũng là nó đào bắt đó mê hay Peace phải xoay từ là gạo nó hay cũng là nó Mỹ tu phải xoay hay Cái tuộc mê lạc bạc Cái tuộc mê bóng khó Dùn dạng mê phung bóng khăn từ nó Mê bùi bằng rồi nó Mỹ tu phải xoay hay xoay đi cô từ nó Sau đó mê tu phải xoay phát thế This particular sarong that the young lady is wearing is usually worn when the women go out during a time of great turmoil. They wear this in order to bring about peace. We call it peace paiswai. Culture เขาใบนะคะวันปิวใบมาในไอ้สวยก็เฮียใบในไผ่คันนี้นะตู้ต่อให้ก้อยแม่สู่ในนะบะแม่มีให้อาศัยให้มาเทียบกับคันเขาก็มาเลียแล้วไม่ตัวไงThe Rongmai people are blessed with rich culture. The people seem to be shy and quiet, but if you look at the dresses, we can see the colors, the vibrancy of the people of the Rongmai people. อันนี้ตัวไทยบานไทยสาวิไทยไทยอันนี้ความรอบวงรุ่ยนาเข้าใกล้ใบไม้คันนี้ครีเอทีฟสุดในตัวไปนะคะที่เราแท้บังเลนาไทยบานจะเสียมในการเขาไทยหลังแท้อาคานินาก็เฮียกไทยจิกสินน่ะเขาก็ไอ้คางก็เสียมมาก็เสียมเราบังไก่มีตรงแท้ให้กำเลนาอาศัยไทยอันนี้ตัววันบิวมาเตียกอาคัดนะคะก็มาเลียแล้วไม่ตรงแท้มีคำส่วนสินี่นักไอ้น่ะก้อยน่ะก็เสียมบูน่ะตอนปะเราน่ะบะแม่เดี๋ยวใส่หายไม่ตรงมาเตียกอาคัดนะคะก็มาเลียแล้วไม่ตรงแท้ information akana nae zangzi long to mai pubang mai thai stage khang zialam na kuang na kuang zangzi long TBC khumzi khara mi khaw stage khaw bong lo padiu khang zan wai pe dong ngai พังให้บ้านให้กระจัดนายนะบ้าไม่หายเราบอกเลยนะอันนี้พังที่เรานะบ้าไม่หายอันนี้ผิวซุยนะผิวนะบางพอตั้งแต่มาสาลานี้นะบ้าไม่
เรียนแล้วไม่กันอันนี้เวนะคะเรียนซีนะเรียนแล้วกันเทอันนี้สาวแล้วบางใครไม่เวด้วยนะกระตวงกำมุงไทยไลน์นะควรบิวให้บิวไม่ให้บูนะถ่ายปัดพุงให้ตัวไม่แต่มาซึมได้ไม่ใช่ก็มาไปแล้วบางใครไม่จิมเมมเบอร์เวกันอันนี้บันฮิวได้นะฮิวเราเข้า